Good day guys, Bing here. Today let's model a, a building. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see, it's quite light here. It's a building on a hill, so you can see higher level, lower level, and then some connection between them. Okay, so I'm going to model a similar one, and also I'm going to use two different methods to model it. Okay, so just the building mass today. Okay, so let's start. So first let's create a project, and so the first method, so actually I'm going to use some detail line, so DL, okay, or under here, so detail line DL. So first I'm going to just roughly, so let's pretend that's the building. So okay, so I'm not going to do a complicated shape like this one, but I'm going to just draw to it as maybe that's up level, this is lower level, and then there's some connection between them. And I'm going to just roughly adjust the shape, maybe maybe like this. And also I'm not sure if you know this, so when you select, so if single line, and that's a solid dot, and if you drag it, it will break them. And if you select them all together, or just only select these two, you will see that's a empty dot, which you can adjust both line. Okay, so actually you can tab select all the line, and it's very easy to adjust the line. Okay, so now let's say this is my shape, the building of and let's model it. So first method, I'm going to just use normal wall and roof and floor. Okay, so let's have a look in 3D. So see, so that's level, so this will be the lower level, and level 1 will be the upper level. And because these lines are detail lines, they're only visible in this view, so what I'm going to do is select all of them and convert line. So now if I go to 3D view, so you will see they are visible because they become model line. Okay, so I'm going to select them, and also I'll paste another one onto level 1 as well. So you will see now I have two set of model line. So what I'm going to do is, so actually I'm going to just add another level. So I'll copy another level up, so become level 2. So I will use this level to constrain my walls. Okay, so now let's do walls WA. Because I'm only going to model a shape of this building, so I'll just use generic wall. And also I'll just use pick wall. And so for now I'm going to model some lower wall. So lower wall will start from here, base constraint from ground floor, and top constraint I'll just set to level 1. Okay, and then pick line. And also you will have the option to pick the wall center line or finish exterior. So for example, if I use finish face exterior, and when you place the wall, so you can, if you pick this wall, so you will see this so you will see this wall, the external face will align with that line. Okay, so create similar CS, pick wall, exterior. So, and also when you place your cursor, you will see it will go either if you move to here, it will go to that side. If you move the cursor here and go to this side. So in this case, I'm going to pick the external side, so it will place on the other side. Okay, so and the same here. So now that's 1, 2, 3, 3 wall, and then I'm going to place another 3 wall here. So this 3 wall, I'll just use, oh sorry, not this one. Change this to level 1 and top constraint level 2. And then let's place it 1, 2, oh sorry, yeah, correct, sorry, 1, 2, 3. So 3, another 3 wall. And then actually these these 2 wall in the middle is that's going to be a on the slope. So actually I'm just going to place them on ground level floor as well, and then we will need to adjust the shape later. Looks like I forgot to change the top constraint. I'll change to top constraint to level 1 as well. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now the next step is to place a roof on the top. So roof, and I'll place it on level 2. Okay, yes, and pick more, select all these 3, select all these 5, and also I just want to make sure it's on the exterior side of the wall, and also I'll uncheck all the define slope and make it a flat. So make sure you trim it so if it's not a loop. So finish it. So now we have a roof here, and let's have a look at this image and see. Let's see if we can find some photo exterior. So looks like yeah, quite not regular roof. Just maybe what we can do is we can just edit modify sub element. So for example, I'll lower this part, right, and maybe I'll lower this part as well, and then maybe raise this part, and maybe if you wanted to, you can just do whatever you like. You can raise this point and lower this point, and if you don't, and you can also add a split line if you want to change the shape. So see, something like that, and maybe here, maybe edit modify sub element and go up maybe. Okay, so once it's finished, just escape, and then we can select all the wall and attach the roof, and also the lower wall attached to the roof. Okay, so now the next step is we just need to so here we just need to hang on, maybe let's model a floor for this area. So floor, and pick a wall, 1, 2, 3, and also I'll just connect them, this one and this one. Okay, so floor at ground floor level, and another floor CS, and 1, 2, and 3, and connect this point to this point. Okay, and this one will go to level 1. So cancel it, I don't want to attach it. So now we have lower floor for this lower area, upper floor, and then we can just so actually what I'm going to do is I'll create a floor here as well. Okay, so floor, and I'll just pick this line, this edge and this edge. Okay, and then I'll just make sure it's to use trim TR to make sure it's closed and finish. And then for this floor, we can use modify sub element as well. And I'll just raise this edge to match that floor. Now let me check. Maybe we go up to match the top of the floor. Here, yeah, okay, all good. So now we have this floor 1, 2, 3, and then I'll just change it to shade, so see if it's better. Looks like there's some. What's this? Oh, that's a line. We can now. I'll select one of the line, IC, isolate, and then I'll just delete it. Or maybe I'll just. Actually, what we can do is we can put them on temporarily, maybe, so and then show previous and new, so won't show the temporary stuff. So now the line is hidden. So in case we need them later, we can just unhide them by changing the face. Okay, so now we can just edit profile of this wall and just to pick that floor. Maybe I'll pick the top of the floor and trim it. I'll delete this and trim it. Finish. Looks like maybe I need to make it slightly higher, and yeah, let me just reset. So go. Oh, sorry, we don't need to do that. We can use attach top base and pick base and pick this floor. Yes, perfect. Oh, maybe not perfect. That's a little bit here, but maybe it's because this floor is not matching that wall. How do we fix it? Let me think. How do we fix it? We just need to yes, we can change this to level 1 and to level 2. Yeah, that's better. Okay, and also sometimes you see this, so we're trying to use this tool, wall joins. Sometimes it will help. Oh, good. So let's do this one as well. So this one, attach to top, and also attach base to pick the floor. But it looks like it's not the floor's not. Hang on, let me just edit boundary of the floor. Let's check. So if you click this one, so it was in picking the align to the internal face of the wall. That's why. So finish it. No. Now, so you can see the overlapping this, which means we are very likely be able to attach base to the floor. Okay, and also this one, same. I'll change this from level 1 to level 2 instead of ground level to level 1. Oh, good. This, see this? Maybe we can attach this wall because this bit belongs to this wall. So attach top base, floor. Okay, so that's it. So this is the first method, just basic wall, roof, and floor. So to create this building mass. Okay, so the next method, we're going to use mass. Okay, so let's component model in place, mass, and OK. And OK. Okay, so so this method, I'm going to use create some reference line, spline through point, And also I'll just place first, I'm going to place so 1, 2 on I'm going to place on ground floor. So see, this is a work plan, and then 1, 2. Okay, and then I'm going to set the work plan to level 1. So another 2, so 1, escape, 2. And you will see 2 of them are on the ground floor level, 2 of them are on the level 1. So now I'm going to do is go to front view or in an elevation. I'm just going to copy them up. So maybe 4 meter. So now we have, you know, each profile or section. So we have 2, and then also I'm going to select these 2 points and just connect them. So to create this shape. Okay, so select 2 points, spline, spline, and reference line. Spline, reference line, these 2, spline, reference line, spline, reference line, and spline, reference line. Okay, so now select each point, so you will be able to change the shape. So for example, if you want to rather than rectangular shape, you can have different height, and yeah, so maybe I'll make this a little bit higher. Okay, so now once you finish, select 2 of them. If you select all of them, you can create a shape that will be an organic shape. But in this case, Control Z, we're going to create a shape more like this. Tab and create. So this is more the shape we're going to have. And also you will see actually these 4 points, because they are not on the same plan. So when you do this, you will see, I'll change to shade, okay, SD, hang on, because this is a mess, it's a little bit transparent, a little bit hard to see, but you can tell from this view, it's not flat, it's a curved. So I'm going to just move it down to, yeah, something like this. Or we can let me just try to select this one and see if I can move it using my keyboard. Yeah, we can. So this is the shape, okay, and then we can create some wall and floor. So finish this mess and we can go. So wall by face, and I'm going to use the same generic 200 generic wall and pick face. So, and you can also choose which face. I'm going to use finish face exterior. So pick this face, so it will be placed inside this mess. Okay, so like this. So 1, 2, 3. So, and the good thing about mass is if you change this mass. So for example, if you change this, if I make this higher and finish this mass, you just need to select this wall and click on update to face. Oh, something's not right here. Delete element. Oh, what happened? Let me Control Z. Let's try it again. So update. It's not vertical. Oh, okay. So looks like when I edit this mess, I move, because I just use my keyboard and it's not moved vertically, and see this will become a little bit curved. I think become curved. It's okay. Let's just go back. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Just move that reference line back. So just need to be very careful. So when you adjust this line, just always click on one of the side. So now if you move up, it will be always vertical. So now I'll finish this mask and select this full wall, which has need to be updated. Yep, so all good. Oh, looks like there's something happened again. I have no idea. Maybe change this to ground floor. Update. Oh, what's this? Let me delete. I'll just create another one. Yes. Pick face. Yeah. All good. Anyway, so that's a wall, and then we can create a roof. So roof by face. Pick. You can also select face at top of roof, or that's another option here. So I'll just use this one and see what happens. So 1, 2, 3. Select 3 face, and you will need different to the wall. You will need to create roof. So okay, so looks like maybe I'll change this to the other option, so it will go on top of my walls. Okay, so and okay, floor is actually a little bit different. Floor, you can't create a floor by face, and floor by face is using mass is slightly different. You will need a mass floor or floor mass, a mass floor. So you won't be able to create a mass floor follow this shape. Okay, but I think you can create. Let's edit. Let's do the mass floor here. Can cancel that. Yep. So mass floor, and in this shape, I believe it will cut this mass on this ground floor and level 1. So I'll select these two levels. Okay, so actually also see it also cut through here. So which means if I create a mass floor, it will create a floor from here to here. So that's not what we want. So I'm just going to Control Z, and instead of use mass floor, I'll just use normal floor, and then pick wall. So pick lines, just do it exactly same to the last, so the first option. Okay, so yeah, okay, so that's it. That's two different methods to create this building mass. So in tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you how to do these patterns. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.